Okay, so let's start. So we are first going to read. Okay, I want everybody to read. Read with me. Okay, there are groups. One more time, groups. Let's spell G R O U P S. Groups. One more time, groups. Okay, so we have here groups. Each, everybody say each group has, one more time, each group has, okay, everybody read, one more time. Okay, next, how do you read this? Groups. Everybody say groups. Of. Umpteen. Keep everything. Okay. Okay, so everybody again, let's read. I want everybody, I can hear INC. How about INC? August, Napro, Sky, Olivia. Okay, everybody one more time. Okay, very good. Okay, so I have here, what are these? Who can tell me? Flowers. Up. So we have here flowers, Posh. Okay, now who can tell me how many groups are there? Sai, how many groups are there? Okay, so when we say group, like this, group. So let's count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups are there? How many groups? 4. Okay, so there are 4 groups. Okay, everybody say there are 4 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Each group has how many flowers? So let's see. Okay, so we're going to count. Okay, each group has, let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So each group has how many flowers? Each group. One group, how many flowers? One group. How many flowers? Very good. So you have there. Okay, each group has 2 flowers. Again, how many groups? Okay, 4 groups of how many flowers? Okay, 4 groups of 2 flowers. Now, how many flowers are there altogether? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 flowers all together. Next. Okay, what should we write in here? So we have here 4 groups of 2 flowers, or we can say 4 times 2 is how many? 4 times 2. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, very good. Next, we have, what are these? Rabbits. Okay, there are how many groups of rabbits? How many groups? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups of rabbits. Each group has, okay, how many rabbits are there in each group? How many? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So each group has 2 rabbits. Okay, how many groups? Okay, so we write 3 groups of how many rabbits? Okay, 3 groups of 2. Okay, 3 groups of 2 is how many altogether? How many? Okay, 6. Now, so let's write 3 groups of 2 is, okay, 6. Very good. Next. Now I will call on, how about Bam? Bam, how many groups are there, Bam? Okay, so there are 4 groups. Each group has how many ants? Okay, each group has 3 ants. How many groups again? 4 groups of, very good. Is how many? Is it 22? It's 12. Okay, how many groups? 4 groups of, okay, 4 groups of 3 is 12. Okay, very good. 1 clap. 1 clap. 2 claps. Okay, next. I will call on, maybe, how about, yes, Aimee. Aimee, how many groups are there? How many groups? Aimee. How many groups? Aimee, 1, 2. Okay, so there are 2 groups. 1, 2. Aimee, each group has how many cupcakes in each group, Aimee? How many cupcakes in each group, Aimee? Very good. So each group has 4 cupcakes. How many groups, Aimee? How many groups? 2 groups of? 2 groups of? 2 groups of? 2 groups of? Okay, let's help Aimee. Okay, very good. So 2 groups of 4 is how many altogether? Okay, 8. Okay, so we write there 2 groups of 4 is 8. Okay, next.
Teacher, this is very easy, super easy.
Super easy. Okay, maybe I will call on. Okay, how about? Wait, okay. Yes, nurse. We will ask nurse. Okay, nurse? Nurse?
Yes.
Everybody keep quiet. Okay, nurse.
Yes.
How many groups of apples are there, nurse?
4.
Okay, very good. So there are 4
4.
groups of
Group
apples.
of
Each group has how many apples in the
2.
group? Okay, very
2.
good. How many groups again?
4.
Okay, so we write there 4 groups of 2 apples. How many apples altogether? How many apples altogether? 1, 2,
3, 4,
4.
5, 6, 8.
Okay, so there are 8
8.
apples altogether.
Together.
Next, what do we write in here? Times.
4.
Okay, so we get 4 groups
2.
of 2, or we also read this as
8.
times 2 is
8.
okay, very good. Next. Next we have here stars. Yes, Pop. Pop, how many groups are there? How many groups? How many groups, Pop? 2? How about Omsin? Omsin, how many groups are there? Okay, so there are 3 groups. Each group has how many stars in each group? Okay, 2 stars. Now, Omsin, how many groups are there? 3 groups of? Okay, 3 groups of 2 is how many? Very good, 6. Next, what should I write in here? 3 groups. 3 groups of? Okay, how many? 6. Very good. Next. Balls. Okay, how about sky? Yes? Yes. Okay, sky. Sky? Sky, how many groups are there? Sky?
3.
Okay, so there are 3 groups. Each group has how many? 1 group. In 1 group, there are 8 balls.
18.
1 group has, okay, each group has 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group has 6 balls. Now, what do I write in here, Sky? Okay, 3 groups of, okay, 3 groups of 6 is how many balls altogether? How many balls altogether? How many balls altogether? Okay, everybody, let's count. Are you ready?
18.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18. So how many altogether? Okay, 18. And what do I write in here? 3. Olivia, sit down. 3 times. Okay, 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, everybody gets your notebook, math notebook. Okay, everybody gets
Teacher,
your...
what is?
Sorry? Okay, if you don't have your...
What is? Teacher, what is?
Use paper.
What is?
Now, I want you to get your math notebook. Okay, if you don't have math notebook,
Okay.
use your...
Notebook, blue.
Not workbook. Notebook.
Notebook blue.
Notebook. Yes. Math notebook. Yes, please.
And I don't have neither.
Where's your math notebook before?
On house.
At home?
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, if you don't have math, yes. One my, yes. Yes, nurse. Math notebook.
Teacher,
No,
cookie.
no drawing.
Teacher,
Okay, you will not draw. You will not draw. You will just write. Okay, everybody. Olivia, where's your notebook? Paper. Paper. Yes, any paper. Yes. Okay, number 1, everybody copy and answer. There are blank groups. Okay, there are blank groups. Number 2, each group has how many cookies? Blank groups of blank equals blank. Number 4, okay, so you write the multiplication equation. Okay, those who are at home, I want you to take a picture. Take a picture of your work and send it to Line. Okay, those who are at home, when you finished, I want you to take a picture of your work and send it to Line.